daw ako hindi nag-vlog guys. So yung last vlog ko was Sunday. And wala na akong lashes. Yes! Tinanggal ko siya the day after that. Kasi nilagay ko lang yun. Ano lang, very lightly lang. Hindi ko kinapalan yung glue. And hindi ako komportable kasi sa kanya. So, tinry ko siyang tanggalin. Natanggal naman siya. Like, the day after talaga, nung kinabukasan na, sa umaga, tinanggal ko. So, wala na akong lashes. Kasi inedit ko yung video kagabi. And sabi ko, update ko kayo kung ilang araw maglalast. Wala, hindi naglast. Ha? Huh? Oh, sorry. Where's the remote? Ayla, where's the middle? Ayla's going to see Nana today. Nana's picking her up. Punta daw sila sa palaruan. So, bihisa natin siya. Tapos, i-prepare natin yung mga dadalhin niya. Gosh, are you excited to see Nana? I'll get your snacks ready. Why? Huh? Because Nana said bring snacks. Yes? Put in the laundry, please. All of it. Come on. Put in the laundry. Please, go. Thank you. Did you do it? Yeah. Thank you, baby.
I just kicked it.
You just kicked it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you though.
I just kicked it.
You kicked it like that? High five. All right.
I just like that.
Oh wow. I'll fix your hair. And then, where's your backpack? It's there? All right, go get it.
I can't raise it.
Yes, you can. You're a big girl. That's okay. Thank you. Can you reach your backpack? No? Mommy will help. Alright, come on. Anong oras na? 9:26. And darating daw siya 10. Lagi yung maaga. So before 10, dito na yung sinana niya. Akin na yung bag mo. Why? It's not there anymore. Ah, that's okay. It's extra clothes. We'll just put extra clothes inside. Just in case. Sorry? You can change yourself, yes. Do you know how to? Yeah, you do. Yeah, I know. So, I'll put extra clothes in and snacks. Sabi ni Sharon, meron na daw siyang mga prutas at saka lunch. So, yung dadalhin lang niya is yung mga snacks niya. I will put 3 of everything, okay? So, you can share? Yes? Share with Theo and Eli? Yeah? Okay. Punta din kasi si Theo at saka si Eli. Nakisuyo yung kambal ni Dan na si Nana muna mag-alaga sa mga bata. Kasi school holiday, guys. So, kay Nana muna yung boys. Tapos sabi niya, nasa akin yung boys sa Wednesday. Gusto mo bang isali ko din si Ayla? So, hindi kasali si Arlo kasi hindi pa kasi siya nakakamingle sa kanila. Nakikigulo lang siya. So, kami lang muna ni Arlo today. But, you bring 3 of these. And then 3 of the teddies. If they want it, you share with them, okay? You got 1 each, okay? Yeah. And sa totoo lang, hindi nila kailangan ng pagkain, guys. Pag sila pupunta sa bahay ng nana niya, dami-daming pagkain dun. Sabi lang ni Sharon, just in case ba, hindi niya magustuhan yung pagkain niya, pero I doubt it. Yung mga pagkain niya. You got a lot of snacks. Isang jumpies na lang matara. So that was from Costco pa. Yung malaking box from Costco. Yun na lang last natira. That's alright, yeah. And then 3 of the veggie strips. Yeah, hindi ito magugutom. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ilan na lang matira nito or kung may makukuha dito. Kasi yung mga snack sa bahay ni Nana ay yung mga gustong-gusto ng mga bata, yung mga ahas-ahas. No, there's no doggy anymore, baby. No more. Wala na pala si Bella, guys. Oh, Eli is not bringing his doggy now. Milo stays at home.
Why stay at home?
Because he wants to play at home. He doesn't want to go with Eli and Theo. And it's gonna be harder for Nana if she's gonna look after a dog too. Hindi ko alam kung na-mention ko, but wala na si Bella. Matagal na actually. Let me see, socks. Well done though. You did the other one right. See? You did this one really good. This one goes at the back. Okay, so try and fix it yourself. You can do it. Come on. Yep. Perfect. Let me see. Well done. Alo's got his dye now. Hello, boo-boy.
Hey, Mommy.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. Ay, may sipon si Dodong. Triceratops.
Yes.
Yes. Bye, Triceratops.
I want the tops.
What hair do you want?
Elsa.
Elsa hair?
Let's say, I thought the spray is there. I thought the spray is there.
I'll just make it simple. So if Nana has to fix it, it's not too hard to do. Okay? This is really good. Ito yung from Ecolux. Detangler spray siya, guys. And gustong-gusto ko yung spray niya. As in, parang pang salon lang. Oh, sorry. I'm being gentle. Almost done.
That's my turn.
Ay, meron na pala akong lalagyan nito. So, dito nakalagay yung mga gamit ni Ayla. Pag ginagawa ko yung buhok niya. Kasi may binili ako sa YesStyle, di ba? Kaya lang masyado siyang maliit. Hindi magkasya yung mga mahabang comb. And meron akong YesStyle package na naman nandun sa harap. And feeling ko kasya na yun. So, nag-order ako sa YesStyle ng mas malaking pouch. And yeah, I think it will fit. So, we'll try it later. You're ready for Nana. Oh, drink medicine pala.
No.
Why not?
Nanny has medicine.
No, she doesn't have the medicine that you like. Sige ka. Alam niyo bang, ang hirap nila painumin ng Panadol, Nurofen, yung mga gamot dito. Kasi yung gusto nila is yung paracetamol na biogesic na sa Pilipinas. Pero ito, iniinom niya to. Hinahalo ko sa yogurt and iniinom niya naman. Kahit na alam niya na may medicine. Ito yung little cups ba yan? Yeah. Nilalagay ko siya sa yogurt niya. Tapos, kinakain niya. I give this to her 3 times a day. Para sa kanyang ubo. Yogurt? Ano? Yogurt?
How are you?
She's all ready.
You're all ready.
She needs to finish her yogurt with the medicine and then she's good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Go and have your yogurt. Good girl.
Almost
Hello.
done.
Which one? Oh,
Which one are you gonna wear?
wow.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, they your sneakers. They are really nice.
You wanna wear that?
To wear your new sneakers.
That's
Can
nice.
sit on the chair.
Yeah. Bye, babe. Enjoy.
I've got the car seat for you. Come on.
So, how many car seats do you have?
Only one.
Okay.
We've got to get another one. If we can fit two, probably Theo and Eli can sit in the middle of this one. Theo's better than that. Eli's better than that. They're all.
Yeah. Oh, that's cute.
I might be a bit too. Might make it too small. I made it too small. Oh.
That's alright. That's easy. Ang cute. Bye, ate. Alis kami ni Arlo. Hindi lalabas ng car yan. May sipon si Dudong. Ano lang ako, pick up ako ng food. Buti na lang, nakahabol ako. Punta tayo sa bahay ni Madam Jelly to pick up my food na ngayon ko lang in-order. Nakita ko yung post niya few days ago. Kaya lang, nakita ko siya gabing-gabi na, guys. Ayoko siyang i-message ng gabing-gabi na. Kasi baka makadisturbo tayo. So, inisip ko, sana maalala ko before Wednesday mag-order ako. Kasi Wednesday yung pick up. And naalala ko, ngayon lang, Wednesday. Kanina, naalala ko. So, sabi ko, madam, may natira pa ba? Meron pa daw. So, we're lucky today. Let's go! It is currently 10:46 ng umaga. Talaga sa tripod na to, may grip talaga siya. Alright, 26 minutes away. Text ko lang si Madam. On my way, Madam. Tapos yung gustong gusto ko is yung palitaw. So nung nag-message ako sa kanya kanina, sabi ko, Madam, may natira pa ba? Sabi niya. So in-enumerate niya yung mga natira. And walang palitaw, guys. So, sabi ko, palitaw sana. With a crying emoji. And she goes, I can make you one. The best talaga si Madam. So meron akong fresh palitaw today. Ko na talaga. Alright, let's go kasi hindi kayo nakamount. Matutulog yan siya. Look at Alo. Antok na si Dudong. Matutulog yan siya. May sipon siya eh. Gising siya ng gising kagabi. He will fall asleep. Yeah. Sus, papikit na si Dudong. Dito na ako sa labas. Kakatext ko lang kay madam na nandito na ako. Thank you, Dam.
Tulong ni kasudaan.
Tulong kasadaan. Tulong siguro to, dinuguan.
Tulong, dinuguan, pakbit og kanang
Atay?
atay.
Yeah.
Unya na rin mo hang,
Wala, kadaghan. Thank
Ah,
you.
sige
Oh
lang.
my gosh.
inya, kasabakik og palitaw.
Yay, thank you.
Isidro na ko ang tupinataran ha.
Sige, palihog ko. Salamat. Ay, okay lang.
Tapos mayabod rin, idam. Di ang palitaw raman po ang kuan ani.
May gani, dali ra lutong yung palito di ay.
Dali raman ang palitaw. Basta kuan lang ba kanang si tawag kani. Di na siya.
Diri lang nako ibutang be para magunitan
Wait pa.
nako.
Oh, di okay ra na
Salamat.
oh kanang. Di na na siya.
Thank you, Dam. Ay,
Salamat
nako pila
po,
ha.
Oh, ako
Thank
ikuan
you.
kanan ha. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay.
Ampeng. Bait ni Madam, di ba? And we are home, people. And Arlo's awake. Tulog siya the whole time sa car. But nung tin-transfer ko na siya, wala na. Nagising na siya sa bed. Anyway, this is my order. Wait, ilabas ko lang kasi baka magtapon. Oh my gosh! Thank you, Lord. Palitaw is the best policy. Ooh! And ang daming limonsito binigay ni Madam. Salamat, Madam. Nagtanong lang ako, meron kami limonsito. Sabi niya, bigyan kita. Ang dami. Salamat. Pwedeng gawing ano yan, juice. Sa dami yan. Atay for iron. Actually, I don't have any problems with my iron. I have high iron, sabi ng midwife ko. Sabi niya, your iron is high. Nung minute yung midwife, sabi ko, is that bad? Kasi parang na-surprise siya na high yung iron ko. Sabi niya, no, that's really good. So, I'm really good, guys. I have high iron. And dinuguan. Nakikita nyo ba ito, mga sis? And last one is ito. Tagal ko na itong gustong kainin. Pinakbit. So, anong ulamin ko today? Anong ulamin ko now? Pinakbit siguro unahin natin. Ay, si Dodong nag-iingay. And nagkakalat. Ay, may butas na siya. Hindi na natin ito pwedeng gamitin. Pinakbit tayo. Kain tayo, boy. Oh, wait. Kain muna ako nito, babe. Pwede this is cassava cake. Ang sarap niya mag-cassava cake, guys. Kung taga-Adelaide kayo, nagpo-post siya sa Pinoy AU Adelaide. So, it's a group for Filipinos in Adelaide. Sa Facebook, ha? Pinoy AU Adelaide. Nagpo-post siya doon kung kailan siya merong mga luto. Pero yung pangalan ni Madam is Jelly Gel. Ililive ko siya sa screen. And ililive ko din yung Facebook link niya sa baba, guys. There, you made a mess. Who made this mess? Who made the mess? Hello, baby. Hello? Yung ginagawa niya, after niya kumain ng yogurt, ginaganon niya yung yogurt sa floor. Tinatak-tak niya sa floor. Diba? Magaling. Masarap siya mag-cassava cake, guys. And ang perfect pa ng binigay niya sa aking piece o kasi yung sa corner. Thank you, Dan! Oh my gosh, ang daming palitaw! Oh my gosh, yung amoy na yan, sis! Ang bango! Naalala ko, nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, merong nagbebenta ng palitaw sa amin na manipis na malaki. And manipis siya, so gustong-gusto ko siya. Pag dumadaan talaga yun si kuya, bumibili ako kasi manipis siya tapos malaki. Yun yung, the best talaga yun. Tapos merong maraming asukal and then, coconut. You want me to change? You want to try this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like this one.
Which one?
This one.
That's a limoncito. Sour. Try this one or no? So, ito yung ating napiling ulam for lunch. Pinakbet. Oh my gosh. Kain tayo, guys. Kain. Ay. O, diba? Nakasanis pa. Nandyan si Arlo. Nayaan ko lang siya. Lalapit yan mamaya. And makikikain. Ay, kain tayo, guys. Ay, ang tagal ko na gustong kumain ito. Where's the remote? O, diba? Hindi ka talaga makasubo-subo agad-agad. It's okay. Bilis tayo. Unang subo para sa akin. My gosh. I want a little bit of everything. Gulay, meat. So yung meat niya is pork. Lots of sarsa or sabaw. And rice, of course. Second subo is for me again. Exactly 6 p.m. I'm getting Dan's food ready. Nandito yung potato for mashed potato. Schnitzel yung kanyang ulam. Meron ako ditong beef at saka chicken. Usually, binibili niya talaga beef at saka chicken kasi sa akin yung chicken, sa kanya yung beef. Kaya lang, wala talaga akong ganang kumain ng mga ganito lately. So, ilang beses na siyang bumili. Nang tigdadalawa pa din nung usual. Pero, ilang beses na akong hindi kumakain kasi iba yung kinakain ko. Filipino food kasi talaga yung gusto ko so far, or kung hindi man lately, hindi proper din eh. He will be having beef today. So siya na kumakain sa dalawa. Timingan na naman, na yan na naman yung ulam niya. Pero hindi yan yung ulam niya araw-araw. Nag-edit kasi ako ng video, yan yung ulam niya recently lang. Pero 2 araw kasi ako hindi nag-vlog. So kagabi, hindi yan yung ulam niya, obviously. But, gusto niya yan eh. Siya nga bumibili niyan. So, meron talaga sa isang week na ito yung ulam niya. But yeah, last night, he had wraps. Wraps na may tomato, cheese, at saka ham. And then, the other night, Monday, nagluto ako ng pork nilaga. Yung ulam niya naman was sausages. Nilagay sa bread. And nilagyan ng caramelized onion. Yun yung ulam niya nung Monday. Sabi niya, kahit anong schnitzel, basta merong mashed potato and egg on top at saka gravy. So, speaking of gravy, let's take the gravy out. Nandito na pala si Ayla. Kanina pa yun, guys. Wala pang alas 4, nandito na yan. Mga 3:30, nandito na siya. Or wala pang 3:30 eh. Natid na siya ng nanay niya dito. Ito yung gravy mix na ginagamit ko. Masarap yan kasi Maggi na gravy mix. Maggi, ata yung tawag nila dito. So, yan lang kasi lalagyan kong tubig. Lalagyan ko lang tubig, tansya-tansya, tapos binaboil ko. Yan na yung gravy niya. Mas gusto ko to kaysa dun sa, anong brand ba yung isa? Master Food ata? Master Food ba yun? And itong malaking tub I got from, or we got from Costco. So, perfect na yan. Ang tagal ko na yung nabili. Hanggang ngayon, nandyan pa din. Kasi hindi siya ganun kadali hanapin sa Kohl's, sa Woolies, yung Maggi na brand. Laging yung isa. Ano ba yung isang brand? Ihuli ko yung schnitzel because ano lang naman to, beef. So, mabilis lang yan. Tapos yung egg din, ihuli ko din. Sabi niya kasi he will be home at 6:15 latest. So, anytime now, nandito na yun. And I have the kids' food as well in the air fryer.
What a lovely dinner we have here tonight. We got 2 eggs sunny side up, a bit of mash, a bit of peas and corn and carrot, topped off with an English-style gravy. Gravy.
English style?
Of course you do.
Oh my gosh, she wants eggs. I'll cook you eggs.
Mum will cook you eggs.
No, Dada.
I'll cook you eggs now.
No, Dada.
that
No,
alright?
I'm eating, Princess. Yeah, that's good. Thanks, my love.
Tapos na kumain ng aking, well, si Ayla still eating kasi nagpaluto siya ng eggs. Tapos yung kinakain niya yung egg white lang. So, yan yung kinakain niya ngayon. But ako, hindi pa ako gutom. And nagdala si Dan nito. Yung cream puff na ang sarap-sarap from Mr. Cheese. And ako na tuloy kumain ng dinner. Nakalabas pa naman yung atay, guys. Kasi yun na yung kakainin ko. Tapos nagluto na din ako ng rice. Yung fresh sana ng rice natin today. It's only 6:39. So baka mamaya, gutumin ako. Ba't gusto ko to kainin?
My shirts are too tight. I already got really fresh shirts.
I did the dish laundry.
I did it. Thank you, my love. I did the dishes, my love. Ow! I don't know, how long you hit Daddy in the bum bum?
Well done. Alright, who are these? Who are they? Sheep?
Rabbit,
Rabbit?
Mario. Yours on?
No.
Octopus.
Octopus, yep.
Puppet, 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 puppet. I see.
You have so many Peppa Pigs. Seriously? You lucky.
Let's name this one.
Hmm?
Let's name this one.
One is from Nana, one is from me, and I don't remember. I don't remember where the other one's coming from. But you lucky, you got a lot of Peppa Pig. Alright, lay down, come on.
Let's name this for me.
Nana.
Why not name that for me?
On your birthday, remember? You had a Peppa Pig birthday. She gave you Peppa Pig. Nakasaks talaga siya. Oh. Gaya-gaya siya sa akin. Alright, tucking you in now.
Hi.
Come
What
on.
are you doing?
I'm tucking you in. You want to bring your rose? Okay. Alright, come on.
Rose.
Alright.
I just carry it and you can eat it. And very, very fine. And you are okay.
Okay. Hello. Go to bed. Go to your bed, mate. Come on. To your bed. Come on. And say goodnight. Oi. Oi. Bless you. Alright, go. Ayaw niya talaga mag-pillow, guys. Yung pillow niya, kinukuha niya talaga, nilalagay niya dito sa baba. Ayan na yung pillow niya. Oh. Kalat, diba? Say goodnight.